Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about a cleaning product. We are going to be talking about Swiffer WetJet Wood. So this is the one that actually goes into the Swiffer WetJet, and then you would use the wiping mops that go on the bottom. So if you guys would like some more information on Swiffer WetJet Wood, please be sure to check my video description for more information on that. So I've been using a Swiffer for a while. Even before I had hardwood floors, I had like tile in my kitchen and I would use it, and I noticed it worked really well, and it was so easy to use because you don't have to like use a regular mop and then like constantly be rinsing it out in the sink, and it just gets messy and it's kind of annoying. I just feel like Swiffers are like the cleanest and most easy thing to use. So I do have two little kids, so as you can imagine, I'm constantly cleaning and wiping the floor. I do have regular hardwood floor. Well, you'll see like these like little white specks. Those are actually stains like from the that are on the wood. They're not like pieces of garbage that I thought that they were when I first moved in. So I actually just Swifted the floor, and they're like fully clean. And like I said, this is hardwood floor, so it's perfect for that. And then I'm just going to walk over here and show you guys. In this room, I have vinyl, so you guys can kind of see the difference. Once you get down the steps, it's going to be vinyl floor. So it's good for both. It's good for real hardwood, and it's good for, the vinyl wood as well. So they make all different types of Swiffer WetJet packs for this. I bought the wood specifically because they say, the best thing you could use on wood is like the wood Swiffers. That's what everybody told me. So this is a quick dry formula, and it's a wood floor cleaner, and it's 1.25 liters. And this you'll actually get a lot of use out of. Trust me, like this container will last you quite some time. Of course, depending how often you clean the floors, but I always use them, and it actually lasts me quite some time. So it's actually really easy to change. In order to change this and take it out, you would just push this in. So you could just push this button in, and then this will pop out. And then the same thing, when you want to put it back in, push, it's locked in and ready to go. So it's like literally the easiest thing to change. And then I apologize, this is upside down, but this is kind of like just the way that it goes in. It actually goes in upside down. So just tells you on the side, it has a limited warranty, and it's recommended by Good Housekeeping. I'm going to switch the side for you, just so you guys could see here. There's just like some very like easy instructions on it. So insert the container, spray and clean, and eject empty bottle and replace. So when it's all done, you would just take it out, and you'll know it's empty because no liquid will be coming out anymore. Gentle cleansers reveal wood's natural shine, which they definitely do. Pre-mixed cleaning solution dissolves dirt and tough sticky messes. Like I said, I have kids and I have a cat, so I'm like constantly cleaning sticky messes, and it definitely gets them up nice and easy. Even stubborn messes seem to come up with this. So that's why I really like it. And then it's safe on all finished floors, wood and laminate, marble, stone, ceramic tile, vinyl, and linoleum. So it's good for all of that. And then to use it, I don't know if you have a Swiffer at home, this button right here, you push it, and then I don't know if you guys could see that. I'm going to do it again. The water comes out, the solution comes out, two spouts in the front, and the spouts are where that light purple is on the side, on the left and right side. That's where the water is shooting out from. There are two holes there. And then you would always, of course, have, and I use the wood mops to go along with this. So they make Swiffer wood mops, and I would put that at the bottom, and then you would use the cleaning solution here in addition to those mops, because the mops get dry. So what happens is, they start getting dry, and then you're not getting as good of a clean as you could. So this pack right here with the cleaning solution in it really helps. So once that mop's getting dry, it's running out of the liquid on the bottom, you go ahead and give it a spray. And that's another reason you're using it. That's another reason it lasts so long, because you're using it in addition to the to the regular mops. So both are really good to have. And guys, if you have any kind of wood floor and vinyl, doesn't matter what it is, if it's real or fake, I definitely highly recommend the Swiffer WetJet Wood cleaning solution for your Swiffer WetJet mop. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know, okay? Thanks guys, and have a great day.